welcome back, hope you're doing well. We have, wow, that made a loud bang. We have another package from Mattel here. And this one's a slightly larger one with another box in. So, yeah, I've already cut a bit of the tape, but yeah, it comes with this interesting Mattel stock kind of box thing. Contains one car. Last time we had one like this was with the Mischief car. So this is kind of neat. Let's find out what this is. Well, we know what this is. You've seen the thumbnail. This is the Porsche Dirtmeister, or whatever they called it. I think I ordered this back in February, and it's finally arrived. It's got an extra bit of cardboard, so let's slide it out. There we go. Just a bit of white cardboard. Pretty strong box, actually, that. And then we have the car. Oh, wow. That's got a pretty cool card art to it. So, brighten this up. It's got quite a strong feeling protector to it. Core. Is this a usual protector? This feels a lot stronger. That's a very decisive click. That feels a lot stronger. And then we have the Porsche 944 Dirtmeister. I like the warning tape kind of tab up the side. They could have at least stuck the sticker on straight though. I guess it's not the end of the world. That's pretty nice actually. 75 on the top. This kind of shattered effect. And there's the back as well. There's a bit we can read. When automotive legends Porsche, Mobil 1 and Hot Wheels combine forces to create a car, it is destined for greatness. They put their creative pedals to the metal and produced the Porsche 944 Dirtmeister, commemorating Porsche's 75th anniversary and debuting trackside at Rennsport Reunion. With innovation in mind, they took a sports car and turned it into an off-road rally wagon wonder, from roll bars and roof cages to triple R LED lights. Not functioning on this product, in brackets, sadly, that would be flipping awesome. Sporting authentic badging and 80s aesthetic, the Dirtmeister pops in all the right places. Baja off-road hubs make this beast all-terrain ready. Some might say this recent addition to the esteemed Hot Wheels garage of legends is as legendary gets. But yeah, this is an awesome looking thing. I do quite like the old rally, off-road rally sort of converted vehicles. Let's cut it out. I was always going to open this one, and the card art has definitely swayed me to not, but we're going to, because it'd be boring if we didn't, wouldn't it? And let's be honest, these are quite strong cases anyway. And when they're inside the protector, you can still display it inside the card. Whoa! I've bloody slipped and cut my new desk liner already. Mate, it's like a month old and I've just cut it. Oh, well, the camera can't see it, so maybe that's a good thing. No, it can. Oh, I need to be a bit more careful with the knife. That's really annoying. Oh well, I'm going to have to do it all again. It wasn't like it was really difficult the first time I did it. Oh wait, it was. Anyway. Oh, it's not even done it properly either. Get the car out. There'll be an extra insert of plastic there. Slide it out. Wow, that is nice. Metal base as well. That is good. Let's start with that. Hot Wheels F10 Porsche Dirtmeister. Nice treaded wheels, and again these wheels do look awesome. Really nice. Got a pretty cool livery on this. Got these sort of warning stripes along this kind of splattered green that goes up the side. 944 Dirtmeister, number 75 and Mobil 1 on the side. Got those awesome LED lights at the front. It is a shame they don't work, but that would make this quite expensive. And that would probably be quite tricky to do. But that does look really, really cool. See, Hot Wheels, if you hadn't have mentioned that they don't work on this model, I wouldn't have thought twice about it. Then we got the rear number plate there. Dirtmeister. That's really cool. Awesome rear light details as well. Really, really well done. And then we get this roof rack set up on top. Oh, there's a spare wheel in the back there as well. Open roof, spare wheel in the back, and some more lights on the top. Mobil 1 on the sun visor, sun strip. Yeah, that is awesome. That is a cool thing. An awesome little off-road car. Sounds cool too. Oh, made to be driven. I wonder what rattles. I guess it's the wheels. Makes a nice clang when it lands. That is pretty awesome. Mate, listen to it. The tyres rumble. That is flipping cool. Oh yeah. Well, there we have it, the Porsche Dirtmeister. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Cheers for sticking around, and drop a like if you've enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comments below of this car, and was it worth the really long wait? But as always, I wish you the best of luck on your peg hunts and your RLC purchases, and I hope to see you again in the next one.